Let's go for my playlist, go for my Rwandan 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 playlist. So this one. So we've got the band. He's back with Otila Brown from Kenya. So.
Baby, one time. Baby, give me 2 times. Please, baby, give me 1 time, yeah. Give me 1 more time.
Sinda no kapita farasi Nogo pango amelo wa bahari Nula sinda no kapita farasi Nogo pango amelo wa bahari
Mtoto fundi toka Tanga Mauro fulani ya kimanga manga Anajua yani moto fire Fire, oh, yeah.
I swear this song is such a great collab. This song is such a vibe. It's a party star. I definitely feel like this song, Otila Brown and the band and Otila Brown, this combo, like I would snip with this finger, but there's, you know, on point, like can't get enough. Literally I can't get enough of this song, like for real. It was one of them songs, yeah, you know, when you're about to go out, step out for the night, you put a song on, you know, start feeling yourself, getting ready, like literally the song, I feel it, it's a vibe. So what else is on the list, yo? So rate the song from 1 to 10. I feel like we've got 2 that are like match to match. Biakuwaho and Can't Get Enough. I feel like, but anyway guys, drop your comments below. Let's see what you guys are saying. So this obviously playlist wouldn't be complete without some Medi in here, so let's add Medi.
Attention, 'cause you got my affection, baby. Good to Deja, taking us step by step on the beat. You're not hand in hand in the street. You make me fall in love, darling. If you catch me one more time, I might lose my mind. Maybe it's too much here. Can we go slowly? 'Cause I can't take it. 'Cause I can't take it.
So that was Medi with Slowly. This is a jam, like such a jam. Oh my days. I'm just so I'm loving this chill session with you guys. Let's go for my playlist, go for my Rwandan 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 playlist. You know, I had to like bring a brother back for real. This song for me, you guys know already. I had to do this. Oops. This song, you guys.
Mr. P, respect. Nyumva n'ububizi ibyo ukunda ngukunda reka mbikwibutse bacu hato utazabyibagirwa mu magana yose abeza bose ntawakuza imbere nyampinga urabahiga nakuvaho nkajya heya. You're so beautiful, oh, I wanna grow old with you. So beautiful, I swear to God I will always be there. I say what I was again. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's a little never show up high. Oh yeah, oh yeah, mama. No crazy now we cry. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Nana we get a just now show up. Oh baby, yeah, oh yeah, mama. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, mama. Oh yeah, see now show up. Hello baby, now that we wanna call you're all I need. So don't you walk away, kubera ko you mean the world to me. Oh, tuzaramana, tuzasazana, kuri njyewe ibyo ni ihame. So ntugire ubwoba mami. You're so beautiful, oh I wanna grow old with you. So beautiful, I swear to God I will always be there. I say what I was again. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's a little never show up cry. Oh yeah, oh yeah, mama. Please now we cry. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Nana we get a just now show up.
So like the song, oh yeah, by Yvonne Boulavan, that one hits a spot. That hits a spot. But you know, I can't close this off without these guys here. I literally love their music. If I'm like, idol, who is it? Who is it that you can close off with? Actually, I know who I'm gonna close off with, but it's not them, but it is them that they're in there, like the I love them so much, so much. Let's take it back.
Ese nawe ujya untekereza, ese ungumbura ndi imbere yawe. Oh baby, bareke, let's confuse them like an illusion. Make them jump to conclusions, baby. Banguka, babe. Usasira y'amagambo, borosa ibikorwa. Ntugire ubibwira, ntihagire n'umenya ko dukundana. Ntugire ubibwira, ntihagire n'umenya ko uri mu nzira. Akana kabanga kacu kabari, nawa gatatu dukundane nawe uzi ibyacu, babe.
So yeah, That was Shafty with Akabanga. 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 Actually, I've got Akabanga. Akabanga. A little tail. A little, you know. But this one obviously is the one for the food, and he's talking about the one for the love. So it's not exactly the same thing. But Akabanga is Akabanga, isn't it? Akabanga. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna have that with dinner tonight. So that was Maricosa by Jules Santore. So I'm going to throw in a bonus one for all of you guys that know it. Like, comment down below with like, and like just be like old school, because this is gonna take you back. Like, this is like, I don't know, this is like our parents' no, actually, let me not do that. It's our parents, basically, what they used to jam to in their days. Can you guess it? I think most of you guys have heard this song playing growing up. Like, to be fair, yeah, it's a chilled vibe. I like the song because it takes me back to my like childhood, like when I was a kid running around the house. But at the same time, the song itself, like the message is a bit sad. Like, it's like the woman, she was fly, she was doing her thing, she was a young girl looking good and stuff. Then they got married, or they got together, whatever the story. She got 5 kids now, and then all of a sudden she kind of let herself go. And then he's like, yo, like, and she, yeah, and it's a bit sad. We're like, why did she let herself go? Like, and at the same time, I do get it, because she's like, basically, no, I've got the 5 kids, I'm not that young girl anymore that's like looking after perfumes, you know, spraying myself with perfume, doing my nails, you know, looking fly, being on the hottest trend. So anyway, that's sad. Like, the message is a bit, yeah. But how many of you guys remember this song? And how many of you guys even know the song? So this song is by Jean-Christophe Matata. Yes, Matata. And it's basically called Mukobwa Nangowe. Yeah, Mukobwa Nangowe. But why is it Mukobwa Nangowe? Why would she Nangowe, like I'm, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I get it now.